Hi, today I want to walk you through the functionality that is available on the native Trak app. As you start using the Trak platform, you'll notice there's lots of functionality, and we've dedicated the Trak app to in-field use. This means that when you select the Trak app and you open up the system, you'll be able to access functionality that you commonly use in the field. You'll be able to see things like your schedule and access jobs from your schedule and see what's coming up. You'll also be able to see a list of all your jobs, and you'll also be able to manage your timesheets directly from the home page. When you open up a job, whether you've been scheduled to it or you're just going into the jobs list, you'll notice that you can access all the information about the job in the center of the page. This will depend on your access level and what your admin staff have given you access to. Across the bottom of the page, you'll see the functionality that we have access to, and this will range from safety and notes and files and documentation, but it also gives you the ability to open up the web app and access all the functionality that Trak has to offer, depending on your access level. When we go into our safe work method statements, you'll see that we can see existing ones or we can create a new one. When we create a safe work method statement, you are accessing your templates from the system. You can select one or multiple safe work method statement templates, and once you've chosen the templates relevant to the type of work you're doing, it will pre-fill them into the system. These safe work method statements are editable, so you can change or add or remove from your items. It will pull through your notes and codes of practice. It'll pull through your tasks, hazards, risks, controls, and residual risks. This allows staff in the field quick access to site-specific safe work method statements. You can review these safe work method statements, add or change them based on existing site conditions, but most importantly, when you scroll to the bottom of the screen, you'll be able to preview that safe work method statement. Once you have previewed the completed safe work method statement to make sure that it suits your needs, you'll be able to sign on to that safe work method statement directly in the platform. When you sign on to the system, simply by signing the screen, you'll then have the opportunity to add more signatures if required or complete the safe work method statement. This means that safe work method statements can be completed by staff or contractors live, mitigating a risk in the field. You've got a notes tab directly in the platform as well, so you can see any existing notes that have been completed in the system, but you'll also be able to create notes. This means that you can write notes, access files and documentation, put photos into the system. Once you add the note, it will notify people based on what your requirements are. If you are in the Trak platform as well, you've also got access to all of your files. Files can be given to you by staff members. You can see what documentation is relevant to the job, whether it's plans, whether it's permits, whether it's additional photos or information. All your documentation will be there based on your access level. You've also got your reports tab. This means that you can access any reports that you want to in the field. Once again, in your Trak account, you can create templates so that you can fill out inspection reports, safety documentation, inductions, whatever is relevant for the type of business you are creating. Trak also has a full task system. So if you are having tasks allocated to you, you can access those tasks on your jobs, mark them as complete so that your admin team or other people in the business know exactly where the job is up to. If at any stage you need additional functionality, you've got the web app actions at the bottom as well. This means it'll open up the web app in the full view and you can access any of the other functionality that Trak continues to offer you. In your Trak account, you'll notice that you've got your timesheets in here as well. Timesheets can be added simply by selecting a timesheet option and putting your hours in or non-job hours in. Alternatively, you can sign in and out of the platform. When you choose the sign in option, it will load in the jobs that you have access to, and from here, it will pick up your scheduled work, and you can sign in or you can sign out of a job simply by selecting it and signing on. That will GPS stamp the location of your staff member and starts their timesheet running. When you are finished on that job, you will then be able to sign out by simply selecting the same button again. It will GPS stamp you and log you out. It adds your hours to your weekly timesheet, which you can then access, complete, and fill out for the end of the week. All of your timesheet hours in the one space, all of your access to all of your jobs, and when you're done, it can be submitted. If you've got any questions and queries in regards to how the Trak app can help your business, or if you'd like to give Trak a go, reach out to our team at contact@trak.co. Thank you very much.